If you've ever dreamed of stepping into a fairy tale, Sweden might just be the real-life version of it. Imagine endless pine forests, crystal-clear lakes, and a nation that genuinely enjoys cold weather. Yes, while most people flee from winter, Swedes embrace it with open arms, ice skates, and a warm cup of good luck a good game in hand. The capital, Stockholm, often called the Venice of the North, trades gondolas for sleek Scandinavian style and minimalist charm. At the heart of Swedish culture lies the concept of lagom, meaning just the right amount. It's a perfect philosophy for life, and maybe the best excuse to have one more cinnamon bun. And speaking of indulgence, the iconic Swedish smörgåsbord is a feast so irresistible it could have its own fan club. But Sweden isn't just about cozy cafes and postcard-perfect landscapes. It's also the land of Vikings, eco-friendly innovation, and people who somehow stay fit despite eating mountains of candy every Saturday. Lost in translation? Don't worry, almost everyone speaks English better than you do. So, are you ready to explore a country where nature and modern design live side by side, and where standing in line at IKEA might just be a national pastime? Buckle up, because this is Sweden, the home of ABBA, IKEA, and those mysteriously perfect meatballs. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Borgholm Castle. Perched on the island of Öland, off Sweden's southeastern coast, Borgholm Castle stands as a proud relic of the nation's royal history. Originally built in the 12th century, it was later transformed into a magnificent Renaissance palace in the 1600s, before a devastating fire in 1806 left it in striking ruin. Despite its scars, Borgholm remains one of Sweden's most iconic cultural landmarks, blending elegance and strength through its arched windows and towering stone walls. Öland enjoys a mild climate, with warm, breezy summers and crisp winters, making the castle a captivating year-round destination. Visitors can wander through the ruins, admire sweeping views of the Baltic Sea, and uncover stories of Sweden's royal past. Throughout the year, Borgholm hosts historical exhibitions, live concerts, and medieval reenactments, bringing the castle's long history to life. A visit here feels like stepping back in time, a chance to walk among the echoes of Sweden's golden age. Borgholm Castle stands not only as a monument of history, but also as a symbol of endurance, captivating travelers and history lovers alike. Öresund Bridge. Stretching gracefully across the Öresund Strait, the Öresund Bridge connects Malmö in Sweden with Copenhagen in Denmark, symbolizing unity and innovation in Scandinavia. Since its grand opening in 2000, this architectural marvel has stood as a testament to both Nordic engineering brilliance and cross-border collaboration. The bridge serves both motorists and train passengers, blending striking design with remarkable efficiency. Spanning 5 miles across the water, it eventually dips beneath the surface into an undersea passage toward Denmark. Set against the region's mild coastal climate, the structure remains impressive in every season, from misty winter mornings to golden summer sunsets. Beyond being a vital link between two nations, the bridge has become a powerful symbol of cultural connection and economic growth. Travelers can enjoy scenic drives, train rides with sweeping sea views, or simply admire this feat of engineering from nearby viewing points. Today, the Öresund Bridge stands as one of Europe's most iconic and visionary infrastructure projects, a true gateway between two worlds. Abisko National Park. Abisko National Park is a breathtaking wilderness located in Swedish Lapland, close to the Norwegian border. Established in 1909, it is one of Sweden's oldest and most remarkable national parks, a true hub for Arctic exploration and natural beauty. With its subarctic climate, the park offers crisp, snowy winters and refreshingly cool summers, making it a fascinating destination year-round. Abisko's untouched landscapes, from vast valleys to dramatic mountain ridges, stand in stunning contrast to Sweden's urban life. One of its main highlights is the Aurora Sky Station, widely regarded as one of the best places on Earth to witness the northern lights dancing across the Arctic sky. In summer, visitors experience the magic of the midnight sun, when daylight lingers endlessly over the horizon. Outdoor enthusiasts can hike the legendary Kungsleden Trail, go skiing across pristine slopes, or spot Arctic wildlife in their natural habitat. No matter the season, Abisko offers an unforgettable escape into the heart of Sweden's Arctic paradise. Dalarna. Known as the heart of Swedish culture, Dalarna is a stunning region in central Sweden that beautifully blends history, tradition, and nature. Its roots stretch back to Viking times, and its folklore, handicrafts, and festivals continue to shape Sweden's national identity. The region experiences bright, mild summers and snowy storybook winters, offering charm in every season. Dalarna's countryside is dotted with red-painted cottages, rustic wooden homes, and centuries-old churches that define classic Swedish architecture. The region is also home to the iconic Dala horse, a brightly painted wooden figure that has become a symbol of Swedish craftsmanship and pride. visitors can enjoy a variety of outdoor adventures, from hiking and skiing to canoeing on tranquil lakes surrounded by rolling hills and pine forests. Every June, Dalarna bursts to life during midsummer celebrations, where locals dance around the maypole, wear flower crowns, and welcome the long Scandinavian days. With its deep-rooted traditions and breathtaking scenery, Dalarna captures the very essence of Sweden's cultural soul. Ristafallet Waterfall. Nestled in the heart of Jämtland County in central Sweden, near the charming village of Åre, Ristafallet Waterfall stands as one of the country's most breathtaking natural wonders. With its powerful curtain of water, cascading 14 meters high and 50 meters wide, Ristafallet captivates visitors year-round. For centuries, this site has held deep spiritual meaning for the indigenous Sami people, who regard the surrounding nature as sacred. The region experiences a subarctic climate, snowy winters perfect for skiing, and cool, refreshing summers ideal for hiking and sightseeing. Unlike many secluded waterfalls, Ristafallet is easy to reach, offering incredible views in every season. In summer, it's surrounded by lush greenery, while in winter, the frozen falls transform into a glittering ice kingdom, making it a favorite among photographers. Visitors can enjoy fishing, camping, or guided nature walks, discovering the area's rich biodiversity and peaceful atmosphere. Ristafallet also gained fame as a filming location for the beloved Swedish classic, Ronja, the Robber's Daughter. For travelers seeking thrill or tranquility, Risterfallet promises an unforgettable encounter with nature at its purest. Bohuslan. Bohuslän is a breathtaking coastal province in western Sweden, stretching along the North Sea all the way to the Norwegian border. Once part of Norway until 1658, the region still reflects a fascinating blend of Swedish and Norwegian heritage. It's famous for its thousands of small islands, picturesque fishing villages, and dramatic granite cliffs that rise above the sea. The area enjoys a mild maritime climate, with warm summers and cool, rainy winters, making it ideal for year-round exploration. Bohuslen's charming architecture, from ancient stone churches to colourful wooden cottages, beautifully mirrors its seafaring past. Seafood is at the heart of local life here, with fresh shrimp, oysters, and mussels, defining the region's coastal cuisine. Popular activities include kayaking through the archipelago, hiking scenic coastal trails, and discovering prehistoric rock carvings that tell stories from thousands of years ago. With its rugged coastline, rich maritime culture, and serene natural beauty, Bohuslän is a dream destination for explorers and ocean lovers alike. Gotland. Floating about 90 kilometers off Sweden's mainland in the Baltic Sea, Gotland is the country's largest island, a timeless blend of Viking heritage, medieval charm, and coastal beauty. The island enjoys a mild maritime climate, with warm, breezy summers and cool, windy winters, making it an inviting destination all year round. Gotland's landscape tells stories of centuries past, dotted with ancient ruins, stone churches, and quaint wooden houses that capture its rich history. At its heart lies Visby, a UNESCO World Heritage town, famed for its well-preserved medieval walls and cobblestone streets that feel straight out of a storybook. Visitors can wander through charming alleyways, relax on sandy beaches, or join in the island's famous Medieval Week festival, where nights, markets, and music bring history vividly to life. For outdoor adventurers, Gotland offers cycling along scenic coastal routes, exploring Viking sites, and soaking in the untouched natural beauty that defines the island. If you're searching for a truly one-of-a-kind Swedish experience, Gotland is the place where history and adventure meet. Kiruna. Deep in the heart of Swedish Lapland lies Kiruna, Sweden's northernmost town, a place where Arctic wilderness and human ingenuity meet. Once a small mining settlement, Kiruna flourished in the early 20th century thanks to its rich iron ore reserves. Despite its industrial roots, the town remains deeply connected to Sami culture, where reindeer herding continues to be an important tradition. Kiruna experiences the extremes of the Arctic endless daylight under the midnight sun in summer, and long, mystical polar nights during winter. In one of the world's most ambitious engineering projects, the entire town is being relocated to prevent damage caused by underground mining. Its architecture blends modern Scandinavian design with rustic timber structures that reflect life in a harsh but stunning Arctic climate. Visitors can explore unique attractions like the world-famous Ice Hotel, embark on dog sledding adventures, or chase the mesmerizing northern lights across frozen landscapes. Kiruna offers an unforgettable mix of adventure, culture, and awe-inspiring natural beauty, a true Arctic experience like no other. Stockholm. Spread across 14 islands where Lake Mälaren meets the Baltic Sea, Stockholm is a city of bridges, beauty, and timeless charm. Founded in the 13th century, the Swedish capital stands as the nation's beating heart, a perfect blend of Viking heritage, royal elegance, and modern innovation. The city's skyline seamlessly weaves together colorful medieval houses in Gamla stan with sleek, minimalist Scandinavian architecture. Stockholm enjoys pleasant summers, filled with golden sunlight, and crisp winters dusted with snow, creating distinct experiences through every season. With boats and ferries connecting its many districts, the city offers endless views of sparkling waterways and green islands. Visitors can step back in time at the Royal Palace, explore maritime history at the Vasa Museum, or wander through Södermalm, known for its artistic soul and creative cafes. During winter, locals embrace the cold ice skating, cross-country skiing, or kayaking through the icy canals of Djurgården. With its perfect balance of history, innovation, and natural beauty, Stockholm is not just a capital, it's the soul of Sweden. Gothenburg. Located along the Göta River on Sweden's west coast, Gothenburg is a lively port city that perfectly balances innovation, culture, and seaside charm. Founded in 1621 by King Gustavus Adolphus, the city was built with Dutch influence evident in its scenic canals and grid-style streets. Its coastal climate brings mild summers, crisp winters, and a refreshing sea breeze throughout the year. Gothenburg's architecture is an exciting mix of 17th-century buildings, industrial-era brick structures, and modern Scandinavian design. As Sweden's largest port, the city thrives as a hub for trade, creativity, and world-class seafood. Visitors can explore Liseberg, one of Europe's top amusement parks, or wander through Haga, a charming old district filled with wooden houses and cozy cafes. The city's dynamic cultural scene shines through major events like Way Out West, a globally renowned eco-friendly music festival. Few cities balance thrill and serenity, like Gothenburg, where you can drift across the glittering archipelago by day and feast on fresh seafood at Feskekirke by night. Malmö. Malmö is a vibrant coastal city in southern Sweden, located just across the Öresund Strait from Denmark. Founded in the 13th century, it has a rich and complex history, shaped by both Danish and Swedish rule over the centuries. The city's historic squares and striking architecture create a seamless blend of medieval charm and modern innovation. Thanks to its seaside location, Malmö enjoys mild summers and cool, rainy winters, making it a pleasant year-round destination. Among its most iconic landmarks is the Turning Torso, Scandinavia's tallest building, famous for its unique twisting design. In Gamla Staden, Malmö's Old Town, you'll find cobblestone streets, colourful facades, and cozy cafes that give the city its warm, welcoming feel. Renowned for its commitment to sustainability, Malmö features green parks, eco-friendly districts, and extensive cycling paths that make it one of the world's most livable cities. Locals and visitors alike enjoy biking along the waterfront, exploring Malmö Castle, or relaxing at Ribersborg Beach, known for its scenic coastal views. With its dynamic energy, innovative architecture, and multicultural spirit, Malmö stands out as one of Sweden's most captivating urban destinations. Skåne. At the southern tip of Sweden lies Skåne, a region celebrated for its golden beaches, rolling countryside, and charming seaside towns. Once part of Denmark, Skåne's unique identity reflects a blend of Danish and Swedish influences in both its culture and architecture. The region enjoys a milder climate than the rest of Sweden, with warm summers and relatively gentle winters, making it a year-round escape. Skåne's architectural heritage ranges from half-timbered cottages and medieval castles to sleek examples of modern Scandinavian design. The historic university town of Lund Home to one of Sweden's oldest universities and a majestic 12th century cathedral, pulses with youthful energy and culture. Meanwhile, Malmö, the region's largest city, offers a dynamic mix of innovation, gastronomy, and creativity, symbolized by the striking turning torso tower. Nature lovers can hike through Söderåsen National Park, cycle along scenic coastal routes, or explore the tranquil countryside dotted with farms and forests. Food enthusiasts will find delight in Skåne's fresh seafood, traditional Swedish dishes, and touches of Danish-inspired cuisine. Skåne offers a perfect harmony between history and modern life. Whether you're admiring its landscapes, uncovering ancient landmarks, or immersing yourself in local traditions. Join our journey and discover the world with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Gamla stan. Nestled in the heart of Stockholm lies Gamla stan, one of Europe's best preserved medieval old towns. Dating back to the 13th century, this enchanting district marks the birthplace of Stockholm and remains a treasure trove of Swedish history and heritage. Gamla stan enjoys a temperate climate, with warm summers and crisp winters that make it inviting in every season. Its narrow cobblestone alleys, colourful townhouses, and centuries-old buildings capture the timeless essence of medieval Scandinavia. Visitors can explore the Royal Palace, one of Europe's largest and most magnificent palaces, and witness the ceremonial changing of the guard. At the heart of the district lies Stortorget, Stockholm's oldest square, framed by pastel-hued facades that have become one of the city's most recognizable sights. Filled with museums, artisan boutiques, and charming cafes, Gamla stan invites travelers to wander slowly and soak in the atmosphere of old-world Sweden. Exploring hidden corners and tasting centuries-old traditions, visitors find in Gamla stan a living portrait of Sweden's history. Uppsala. Just 70 kilometers north of Stockholm lies the picturesque city of Uppsala, a place where history, knowledge, and Scandinavian charm come together. Founded in the 15th century, Uppsala is home to Uppsala University, the oldest in Scandinavia, established in 1477, a cornerstone of academic excellence for centuries. The city's skyline is defined by Uppsala Cathedral, the largest in Scandinavia, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that reflects Sweden's rich spiritual heritage. Uppsala experiences mild summers and snowy winters, making it a beautiful destination throughout the year. Its cityscape blends medieval landmarks with modern Scandinavian design, creating an atmosphere that feels both historic and forward-looking. Among its most treasured sites is the Gustavianum Museum, showcasing Viking artifacts, scientific instruments, and the university's scholarly legacy. Visitors can also enjoy a stroll through the Uppsala Botanical Garden, a peaceful oasis filled with diverse plant species from around the world. In Uppsala, the echoes of the past gracefully intertwine with the rhythm of modern life, creating a city that feels both historic and alive.